Mynta Sngi don country ki positive cases for state ke jongi. Lagi country ki cases kharbe ki na po iska sales. San ki armed forces na po iska sales ki long kharbe san ki armed forces ki armed nanta de we di staffness we di armed ki retinees language ki doctors na neglect. Kena West Garo Hills kita tangi way, East Janti Hills iway, Riboy District R, but West Kasi Hills iway. Kini gini ki update yung COVID-19 nakabenda Mynta Sngi ka nyotrik wagas arpo. Till today, the sample which are already sent for testings, they are 40,631. The number of persons tested negative till today, they are 39,008. 39,008. The number of tests waiting for the result till today, they are 617. Kini kita nak pak nak kebentar ki sampul benda test adu Mynta Sngi long sawo hajar terus par way. Kibala test negatif adu Mynta Sngi nyo August arpo ki long lai bunda hajar prangut. Bat yang bagi nang up pada yang result adu Mynta ki long terus pak khat nyo. Dikitu ibuan pai pada nasabar jong Meghalaya adu Mynta ki long total arpo hajar. Those are coming from outside the state. Till today, there are 26,039. 26,039. This is the update of the COVID-19 in the state of Meghalaya of the today's date. Total active cases we have 590. 411 recovered till today, and total active cases we have till today 590. Riboy kini armut kini ki armed force nangta dapo West Kasi Hills di Bon Bhai ritani nangta dapo East Janti Hills di Wewu driver battery hapo Topsum cement factory. South Bundriu tang hapo East Kasi Hills. West Kasi Hills there are 6. Southwest Kasi Hills 0, Riboy District 72, West Janti Hills District 16, East Janti Hills District 18, West Garo Hills 28, Southwest Garo Hills 2, South Garo Hills 2, East Garo Hills 0 and North Garo Hills 0.